Hello, everyone. I just wanted to do a review of our sixth week of virtual learning and introduce what we're going to be doing in week 7. So for this week, that is due tonight by midnight. You have 3 assignments to turn in. The first one is to read chapter 10 and answer the assessment questions at the end of the section of the textbook. Right? So most people have these done, but there are still 4 of you in first hour who have to do them. So you want to make sure that you read the textbook. You can either read it as the colored PDF or the black and white PDF, or you can listen to me read the section to you. And then you want to make sure you answer the questions. When you're done with section 1, you can go ahead and make sure that you do section 2. So again, most of you have this done for first hour, 16 have it turned in. There are 10 of you that need to finish it up today. This is just my first hour class. So again, you want to make sure you read the textbook, either the colored version, the black and white version, or listen to me read it, and then make sure you fill out the questions that are at the end of the section in the document that I gave you. The last thing that you need to make sure you have done for this week is your summary of the Romulus and Remus legend of the founding of Rome. So you want to make sure that you watch the cartoon. You can also reread the section of the textbook that has the short version of the story. And then you want to make sure that you somehow show me this final version. So you want to either type it right on this document, or you can attach a picture or a video, however you want to summarize the Romulus and Remus legend myth or legend. So that's what you have to do for this week. Coming up, so in week 7, there are a few things that you need to do. So if we take a look at what will be posted with this video, the first thing you want to make sure you do is you watch the videos that are attached to this post about the Roman government and the social structure of Rome. You don't have to do these all on Monday, but make sure you have watched them all before you take the test. I think the longest one is 5 minutes, so they're all real short. But they're good. And some of them are cartoons because I enjoy cartoons. And so I am hoping that you also enjoy cartoons. So there is one, this one is about Roman society and the political structure. So this is actually a really good review of the government. And then we have information about the patricians and the plebeians and about the social hierarchy. And then there's a brain pop video about the Roman Republic. So again, that's about a bit more of an overview. I've also included the password and the username for brain pop. So in case you get stuck trying to log into the program, I recommend letting the Chromebook save the username and password for brain pop if you have that option. It makes it easier the next time you want to watch a video in brain pop, which is a good site. You can explore it and watch other things on other areas that you find interesting as well. So after you watch some of the videos, you want to make sure that you read chapter 10, section 3. That will be the last homework assignment for chapter 10. So it's about the late Republic, and you want to make sure you do the section assessment questions. And you also want to make sure you do the review of the Roman government slide presentation. I am counting this one as a quiz. So in classwork, you have the three things that are right here for your assignments for that are due next week, Friday the 22nd. So that first one that you should be working on is the slide presentation. I want you to write your answers right on the slides. It's a review of the different parts of the tripartite government, or the 3-part government that Rome used during the Republic. I've attached the textbook reading section so that you can reread section 1 and section 2 that has information about the government. There are also a couple articles that I attached that have additional information. So the 12 tables is all about Roman law. There's about another document or 2 documents about the Roman government. Those will all help you fill out the Google Slides. I am counting this as a quiz score, so please use all your resources so you can do a really, really good job on it. So this is the assignment that is posted for Monday. For Tuesday and Wednesday, you need to read chapter 10, section 3. So again, I've attached the color version of the PDF and a black and white version. So one or the other should hopefully load on your computer, or you can listen to me reading the chapter. So there's part 1 and part 2. And then you have the questions that you'll answer. And then the last thing that you're going to do for this week is you're going to take the test on chapter 10. It is another Google form, so make sure you sign in, take the test. When you're done, mark this assignment as turned in so I can keep track of how many people have it done. If you find that you're getting stressed out about taking the test, have multiple tabs open on your computer, have the test as one tab. If you start to feel overwhelmed or confused, move to a different tab. Do not close the quiz, or the unit test, I should say. If you close the test, then it submits with whatever answers you have done so far. So leave the tab open, but go and do something else. Take a short break, maybe look over your notes again, get things back into your head, and then go back and continue to answer questions. So I want you to do your very best on it. And so if that means taking breaks, then take breaks while you're taking the test. That's fine with me. So again, for this week, you had 3 things that you needed to turn in: reading chapter 10, section 1 and section 2, doing the assessment questions, and then a summary of the legend about Romulus and Remus. This coming week for week 7, you also have 3 things you need to do: a review of the Roman government, reading chapter 10, section 3, and doing the assessment questions, and then taking the test on chapter 10. If you have any questions, as always, please contact me. If you need help or would like help with something, please contact me, and we'll see you all real soon. Have a great day.